Hey friends, we have something completely different for you today. We have a friend who unfortunately has to leave the ship to deal with some family issues, and she has to sell her room. But that could mean good news for you. We have this amazing balcony villa that's 190 square feet for sale. As we enter room 7023, 190 square foot balcony villa. It is a great location, starboard. It's super close to the stairs and elevators. We have 3 mirrored closets, a great refrigerator, lots of shelving. Included in the price are many cabin-specific amenities. We have these nice 2 tables on either side of the room that will be staying here. We have lots of magnetic hooks and shelves will also stay here. There's a desk chair, small chest of drawers. The owner's leaving behind plugs and extension cords, all kinds of things that will make it much easier for you to move in. Let's go check out the balcony because this is what makes a room extra special on the Villa Vie. We have this gorgeous, very, very private balcony space, walled on either side. It is a breezy day as we head to Japan. Check out this great space. I can actually hear them above. They are resanding the railings. They take care of this ship. They're always working, but I can hear the railings getting sanded just above. But check out this great balcony. I can imagine rolling into ports or just out at ocean, reading a book, lounging, just the perfect space. I must say I'm jealous. These beds can be kept together like this, somewhere between a queen and a king. It's 2 twin XLs pushed together, or they can be separated for 2 separate beds. Remember, the tables you see come with this room. We have a nice desk chair. Remember, she's leaving all types of things behind. Let's head over to the desk area. Remember, we have an Illy coffee machine that comes with the room, and I don't see it here, but they will get you one. The 43-inch TV can be swiveled towards the bed or towards the seating area. And remember, our TV is loaded with all kinds of movies, and it gets all the local news stations. There's even HGTV, Food Network, all kinds of great channels. There's a nice desk area if you need to work, or if you just need to send an email home. Underneath the desk, and there's another in the closet, she has some metal storage units that she's leaving behind. So plenty of extra storage, things you do not have to bring with you. In the closet space, we have a refrigerator in the first one. And then there's 2 more. I know the second closet has another one of those metal storage units. She's leaving that behind as well. And then the third one is great just for hanging clothes. Now we will check out the restroom. My favorite flooring on the ship as far as restroom goes. That's one I wish I had because I think it's my favorite. All the contact information for this owner can be found in our description. Click on the word more at the end of the title, and you'll see the owner's email. Send an email, make an offer, see if you can work out a deal for this 190 square foot balcony, gorgeous view, great location, close to the stairs and elevators. You have 3 mirrored closets, a great refrigerator, lots of shelving. And here's the big perk. So the cost for this room, remember, includes all the things. Your Wi-Fi is included, laundry's included, twice a week cleaning, gratuities, port fees and taxes, 2 wine or beer at lunch, 2 wine or beer at dinner, all those amenities, all those things you pay extra for on other cruise lines are included. So the asking price for this 190 square foot villa, room 7023, the price is $339,999. Again, that's $339,999. But wait, there's more. The biggest perk about purchasing this room is it comes with the first 12 months discounted monthly maintenance fee. To find out that maintenance fee, reach out to the owner. Remember, her email is in the description below, and discuss your purchase price and your monthly fees. If you are double occupancy and you are interested, definitely reach out so we can give you that quote as well. Again, everything's in the description. This person is departing very soon, within the next week, to go take care of some family issues, and unfortunately she has to let the room go. So come join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey. We hope this sparks your interest and you want to come live this amazing lifestyle with us.